Good morning, Philippines. Time check nga pala, guys. It's 6:30 in the evening here. So, ngayon guys, mag-study kami ni TJ kasi bukas may written exam sila kasi Thursday ngayon and Friday tomorrow. Every Friday meron silang written exam, guys. Binibigay itong snap words or sight words every Monday para mai-studyhan na nila para sa Friday or tomorrow ready na sila sa exam. Yung last time, yung first exam na binigay na 7 sight words, yung una-una, I think Friday pa lang binigay na, kaya start ko na siya study Saturday, Sunday. Ito lang talaga itong ngayon binigay Monday. So, dito si TJ, guys. Write na ng sight word.
I feel bad.
Okay. Sige na.
Wait, I draw my pencil.
Okay.
One.
Ayan, guys.
I need to open it.
Later na this one.
Where's the pencil?
Over there. Another side. Okay, what number you are now? Tensya na kayo, guys. Medyo maingay kung maririnig ninyo kasi nag-cut si daddy ng woods border ata yung tawag para sa namin sa bedroom. Kasi nagpaayos kami, guys, ng bathroom kasi nagdating na yung order namin na bathroom wall ata yung tawag. Yung sa bathtub nyo, guys, tapos sa gilid may lalagyan ng mga shampoo, soap, ganun, o mga mga net hair, pang itik-itik or anek-anek sa pang ginagamit nyo sa bathroom, ganun. Kasi meron akong drawer. Kaya nag-start na siya kaganina, guys. Then, nag-paint na rin siya. White na siya, guys. Clear na siya. Hindi na siya yellow yung namin. Orange, yellow, at
What's the next one? The center.
Yung bathroom.
Mommy.
Okay, number 6. Had. Had. Listen. Had. Had. Kiwi ka. Baba din. Tapos na rin pala kami nag-dinner, guys. Nag-early dinner kami. Yung tawag yan, yung mga siguro mga exactly 5 o wala pa 5. Na kami nag-dinner. Pancake kay TJ. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo, guys. Pancake sa kanya. At saka
Mom, what are you saying?
Sa akin, brown rice. Nag-brown rice ako, guys. And sardines. Yung sardines and tomato. Nilagyan ko ng calamansi lime na nasa container sa amin.
Mom, what are you saying?
Had. Guys, nilagyan ko rin siya ng suka. Tapos ang dessert namin, mandarin orange. Kay daddy, same sila ni anak.
Tea?
Had.
And H.
Tapos, hindi ko na rin napakita sa inyo, guys. Punta kami ng hardware kaganina.
Here, Mom.
Had.
I did. Oh, thanks.
Number 7, has. Sinulat mo na yung number 7. Wala yan sa listahan. Magsulat ka lang ng advance. Mali pa. Has. Sinulat niya, guys, hit. Has. Tawa siya, guys. Nakaintindi siguro siya. Nagsulat number 6 pa lang kami. Sinulatan niya na yung number 7 ng hit. Hindi man yung hit. Wala man yung kasali dito sa papel, guys. Ang nandito lang last, has. Sige na, come on na. Ay, mag-read pa tayo ng book. Sige. Has. Number 7, erase that one. That's not the right word.
I heard you.
No. Has. Erase that number 7. That's not right. That's not right, the 2 letters.
That's not nice. 7.
Has.
Okay.
Tapos stop na siya nag-work, guys.
Like this? Like myself?
Has.
I want what you erase.
H is correct, but the 2 letters is not.
Why?
Nag-stop na siya ng mga... Yung nagaluto ako, guys. Kaya invite ko naman siya. Sabi ko, dito ka na mag-dinner. Kasi kapitbahay lang rin man namin yun. Off nga siya ng 3 araw. Kaya naghanap siya ng part-time na trabaho.
No, this is I.
Has. What's in the middle letter? Yan, guys. Kaya, hanap siya part-time. Maganda pa naman yung dapat yung garahe namin ang ipaayos namin yung doon sa may gilid, sa may pintuan, pasimentuhan ng konti. Kaso gusto niya, unahin lang muna daw ito. Kasi kanina, guys, very nice weather, guys. Nasa 80 ata yung paglabas namin kanina, pagpunta namin ng hardware. Naku. Ganda. Binuksan namin yung bintana. Kasama kasi siya pagbili. Kasi hindi namin alam kung anong kukunin namin doon sa hardware. Tapos, nagbili na rin kami ng pintura. Napinturahan niya na rin kanina. Pero, prime pa lang, guys. I-double niya pa bukas. Patuyuin pa. Okay, you want to read that one now? Okay, we'll see. Sit. S-I-T, correct? As. A-S, will, W-I-L-L, did, D-I-D. What's this? What letter is this?
A.
What's this letter?
A.
T, this one, T.
T.
Not I, okay? Had, H-A-D, has, H-A-S. Okay, good. Okay. Do your best tomorrow, okay? Okay, you want to read that?
Yeah, I will
Okay.
do by myself.
Sige. Para very good ka. Okay, popsicle ka mamaya. Maaga pa naman, guys.
Yay,
It's-
Mom, what about who will
6:30
eat
pa
the
naman.
ice cream?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
gonna give you ice
when
cream,
I
right? Do
say
your-
the word, you say the sound of all the things. Okay, do you ready?
Sige na, read na.
Okay, so
Ilabas ko rin ito para ma-read mo rin.
balloon. What's balloon sound? What's the balloon sound?
Okay, teach me.
Say ba.
Ba.
What is what is the banana sound?
Oh, what's the banana sound? Teach me.
Banana.
Banana.
What's the sound?
Banana.
B.
Ba. Letter B.
You need to say the b sound.
Okay.
Bear.
There. Gumawa na rin
No,
pala ako ng
don't
ganito,
fault
guys.
me.
Yung Roman numerals.
What is that?
Math para review. Kasi nandito,
What's this?
ganito na rin yung nila the other day. Lesson nila sa math.
This is a lesson. This is we follow this one. It's how many. It
Yeah.
what how many number you say. You say the
Ayan,
number.
ayan. Continue,
Bear.
okay.
What's the sound?
Ba.
Good.
Okay.
It's letter
C.
C. Cat. What's a sound?
Ka.
Good. What's the cup sound? You know?
Mhm.
Cow.
Cow.
No, don't say what the sound. What is the sound? C.
Okay.
You need to say
Okay, rin na
could
naman.
do the sounds when I say it.
Mhm.
You're not listening. I'll tell.
Nabaliktad na, Tete.
What's the hat? What's a sound hat? You need to say H. House. the letter?
H.
H. Good, Mom. You're the better reader. Let's do this one first. P. Pig. You don't know this one?
Pig
Mom,
nose.
you don't know this one?
No, because I'm not eating that.
Pizza. P pencil. What about this one? You know it?
Letter M.
You know it? What about this one?
I can see what letter.
You know it?
30.
You know it. Okay. You know this one? Okay.
So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.